If girls want to start their own business, then they start. If
But
boys
they are
just
not.
So which
They are
is
not
not
serious in their
successful
career. They are not serious in studies.
If they are serious, they
How
are
can
not
you
serious.
say? How can you say you are a girl?
In this time, the girls are more interested in something else. Like we all know that girls are.
What is something else?
Reels,
But
like
some
reels
girls-
on social media, girls are more.
And what about
What
those
are
girls?
these?
What about those girls who are maternity and
There are
paternity
no
good?
girls. There are no.
What about boys? Boys are also on Instagram.
Good morning, everyone.
So,
In the topic of who are more serious towards his career, boys or girl, I am in the favor of boys because boys are more serious towards their career because they have clear concept when they enter in the field of career. So they set their goals. They started to work hard. They seek opportunities.
Okay, yes. This side. Shri.
Hello everyone, my name is Shri and today's topic is who is more passionate about career. I am in the favor of girls because girls are more passionate in their career. They choose their goal and they are achieve their goals in her life. They are actually very positive in their work in their career.
Yes. Okay. Let's start the debate now.
Uh,
Anyone can start. Yes.
So I want to ask you some any of a matter that we can say that girls are more serious. But I think that boys are more serious in their career. Like we all know the society that encourage the boys to pursue their goals and jobs more than the girls, and it is always likely to.
I agree with you, but girls have more responsibility compared to boys because in this field, as is home, because he worked at home and then he studied, then he focus on her.
She maybe.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Then she focus on her competitive exams and some other things which he want.
But
Which he
as
want.
the boys are also doing that,
Yes,
they are
yes, I
also
agree
doing the
with you.
housework thing and also doing the studies.
But not we are only saying that these things. There are many research that prove girls are more focused on their career as
We
compared to
cannot say
boys.
that boys
can-
are serious according to research. Research
They
cannot
are
define the
not-
situation of
not
boys
one.
and girls.
Not one.
There
There
are
are so
different
At
many
that,
researches.
at that time,
There
are
are so
so
that
many
time-
researches.
Like different personality have their different
You mean researches
opinions.
are wrong and you are
Yeah,
right.
it
Yeah,
is
at
wrong.
that time,
Give me-
at that
give
time
me-
officially-
give me-
If you have personal opinion,
Give me the example of which girl is famous in
Mary
his
Kom.
career.
He is saying.
Give me the example of
He has said Mary Kom.
or
Or-
other example, more example.
Sania Nehwal, Sania Mirza, there
like
are so many
all
examples.
also there are men also who have also success in their life. Like
But,
we have.
but you want
If
to
you
see
see
officially,
official-
but you want to see officially the rate of success is more comparable than the boys.
Now in this time, girls are doing the good
So
thing.
that's why
like
girls are very-
like many days, from many days, boys are always on the top and always do their best and give their best to.
And we
Yes,
have
I
example
agree with you,
also.
but at that time
But-
girls are very
But
important
in
and
present
they
research,
have-
One second. If you are
In India-
if you are comparing
दो
this
लोग एक साथ
speaking.
क्यों बोल रहे हो?
In India,
ये बहुत गलत है.
Okay, okay, yes, yes.
in India, 85% boys are willing to career. Uh, in engineering, science, technology, 57% compared to 57% girls. Therefore, boy is more serious about their career.
And boys
But
are
if we-
also more responsibilities.
but if we take a board ratio, there is 47% of women who is more focused than men, and 38% of men who is focused in their careers.
Like you have said that in the world there are 47%. Like in India now, girls are interested
Because-
in something
because-
else.
because-
Now we all know that girls are not
But-
interested in study and they are doing something else.
Because the society more
Pressurized.
Not only,
but-
girls. That's
But-
why
one
girls
second.
can't
If
do
they pressurize girls, the
One
girls are.
second. Yes, yes.
as you
Yes.
say that girls
Yes.
focus than boys, so not only focus to women make better career because boys always do their 100% as you as you see that the number one businessman in whole world is Elon Musk. Not any woman is at reached at that position because
the
they
number
have not
one-
abilities.
And the number one sports badminton player is Sani Nehwal. As you see.
Because the sports happen in the two way, men's or women's.
And
As
the
that I
business is
say that,
also, if you want to do
But-
business in,
but business in between both, boys or girls also, not business is separated, boys do
Okay. Yes.
if girls want to start their own business, then they start. If
But
boys,
but they are
they
not.
So which
They
is
are
the
not serious in their
successful
career.
business?
They are not serious in studies.
If they are serious, they
how
are
can
not
you see?
serious.
How can you say you are a girl?
In this time, the girls are more interested in something else. Like we all know that girls are
What is something
But-
else?
reels,
some
like
girls-
reels in
Yes,
on
yes.
social media. Girls are more.
And what
Towards
about
the
those girls?
reels.
What about those girls who are maternally and
Where
paternally
are those
ignored?
girls? They are no.
What about
ratio of
boys?
the girls.
Boys are also on Instagram reels.
Like
They are also doing
they are-
makeup. What about that?
Yes.
but some girls are not focused for a long time.
Love.
Therefore,
Yes.
And I am
1 second. Yes.
I have example when the NEET exam held and the results come, so you see that the Divyansh, the name of a boy Divyansh, it come all India rank in first position. No girl.
We all know the scam of NEET, so please give me
In
and
in
as an
engineering
example.
also a boy come at the number one position.
Now you
But
start
I-
the topic as example. Now you start.
How to say?
Don't
Now you start the topic as example.
No,
I
no,
also
just
give the
tell me.
example in business.
I also have example in Sky for our national pilot is a girl.
And it doesn't mean that girl is
Number
not
one
serious in
cricketer
their
in men's
career.
is Virat Kohli. I have also example.
And
in
number
we,
one
we have to
in
go on
women's
the
is
topic,
Smriti
like
Mandhana.
serious about career.
But they have
You
more
don't have
following.
to.
Virat Kohli have more
It
following.
is not
than
about
Like-
following, it is
Mandhana.
about career. Who can, it is not
Virat
about
Kohli have 81
following.
century.
It
No
is
have,
not
no
about-
woman
Move,
have.
Like-
move to the topic. Yes. Sydney. Huh?
You said that Elon Musk is a first
Elon
and you are
Musk.
giving the rank, but it doesn't prove that they are not serious in their work if they are not in the
How
first rank.
can you say that he is not serious to their work? He make that missiles who go in the sky and then again come into the earth.
But this doesn't prove that the girls are
How
not
can you
serious.
say
They
that
are
it
serious.
doesn't
The
prove-
topic is who are more passionate about in their career.
We are
so
all-
I think girls are more passionate.
Girls and boys are equally more passionate. We cannot say a
Hey,
boy.
conclusion.
We cannot say okay. I have to say. Like we cannot say anything and on the basis of gender. We have to see a personality and individually how a person choosing their
ये लास्ट
career.
का लाइन रटी थी ना वहाँ बोलने की.
ये सही से अभी नहीं बोले लास्ट का लाइन.
Sunny.
ठीक है बोलो.
इसलिए सिंगल आइडिया नहीं है. I have already given the topic.
And society also encourage the girl and education system
Encourage the
does
girl?
not. The education system of India.
कौन सी सोसाइटी में तुम?
तुम लोग नहीं बोल पा रहे तो
In
हिंदी में
English.
मत बोलो.
In English, don't speak in Hindi.
Education system of India not give
Society do
facilities.
not encourage the
Education system.
Society.
First I speak, then you tell.
Let me speak.
Let me speak.
Okay.
Education system of India did not provide many facilities to the girls compared than boys. It's also due by the education
If
system.
education policy cannot provide many facilities to girls, then why there are lot of college who is made only for girls?
There are many colleges for only built for
That's
boys.
what you say. You also don't know. You don't know what you say. You say that there is no education policy who can give the chance to make a career of girls, and there is no college. But there is lot of college. There is a college Basanta which is fully for girls.
There are many colleges.
There are many colleges.
As you see in your school sports, there are so much medals are favored to girls. As my sisters winning the more medals, Sarah winning the more medals. Yeah, and everything will
And
go
I have
right.
also example of my school in class 8. The first rank of a girl is 92%, but in boys the starting of the ranking at the third is 92%, and the first position is 95. You see the difference between them, rank only in percentage.
But they
As
are,
you see, purpose of person. So in my time, Prafna Gupta is a topper.
How can you tell about last year? 8th, you are when you were in 8th.
Okay, sorry for interruption. Are we here for scores and marks only?
Sir, that they are
Sir,
saying.
there are so many examples.
We should also involve the topic here. Seriousness towards career.
Okay.
Give these examples. That how would you prove that boys or girls who are more serious?
Sir, I'm not talking about anything. Just
Okay, no worries. Yes, Shri.
As my friend says, girls are more serious in their careers. It's true. As you say, girls are not serious in their careers. They don't study. How do you say it? They will also know how to study. They also
Balance.
balance their family, their societies, their studies, their works, and many things. Girls are managed in their life, in her life. How do you say that the girls are not interested in his studies? Girls are also doing their work
With her?
with her family works and another works.
And I have also
Boys,
example
but
of
boys always first.
Boys have more responsibilities to the girls because the boys go to their father's shop to handle it and do also the
It is-
work of
girls
their
are
parents.
also doing that.
In this time,
if
you
Why?
are very wrong.
Boys are lazy in
Everyone
their
is
life. In this present time, boys are very lazy in their life. Girls are also doing work with his father, with his mother.
Okay. I agree with you. You can say boys are very active in your life, but girls are also active in your life present time. In this generation.
सर वो ऐसा क्यों कह सकते हैं कि बॉयज लेजी होते हैं?
How can you say that
I
boys
can
are
say
lazy?
that
How
if you say any boy,
One second, yes.
how can you say that boy is lazy than girl?
Because boys' sleep time is, many of the boys' sleep time is,
Sleeping time.
sleeping time is night 12 to morning 10, 11, 12.
But even
That's
after
a-
that, they work.
But
They,
I think
they
they should
handle
show
their
us
work
some
So,
completely.
sir, they work
the
hardly,
ratio
but
is
ratio is very common.
lazy. When you say any boy to go at any place at 2 a.m. to any to work, so he go. But you say to the
Achha,
girl
to
he
nahi
not
jayegi.
go.
Why? How can you
So
say
how
that girl
can-
is not
Eh,
go? When
okay.
just imagine if a girl's father was in a serious situation, then he not go. Only boys will go.
She.
Then she not
When
go. Only
they have
boys
no
will go.
option, so then he sent to the
How
girl.
can you say there is no
now
option?
that is the point
Just
that he
imagine.
sent to the girl because
Just
Girls-
imagine if a
because
parents have
family
only
don't
one
allow.
child.
What is going on?
Because-
Love, love, love.
But
You-
first
you-
time
you-
वो boy.
at your
खुद ही बोल
most
के फंस जा
important
रहा है by
statement.
example.
Yes.
But first time सर फादर सीरियस है तो फर्स्ट टाइम पहले बॉय जाएंगे ना.
If a father is serious, boys goes first.
And there is no boys.
Let him speak. Let
बोल
him
तो दिया.
speak. हाँ बोले.
अच्छा.
हाँ. If the case is serious,
If a case is serious,
boys go first.
Boys go first.
And just imagine that if a parents have only single child, which is girl, then who go?
And first one,
What are we talking about?
Sir.
There is no son.
Sir,
Of
first
course
thing-
it is not. It is girl will
So sir,
go.
that's the point. Now he says
No,
then
sir,
only
first
boys
thing
will go.
he mentioned in his statement that he sent, the family sent to the girl
They
after
have
boy.
both- they have
Because
two choice,
the
boys
first
or
one
girls.
family differentiate between them and they send the boys. You mentioned in your statement.
I
ये
also
खुद ही
said
बोल
that
के
they have
फंस
two
जा रहा है,
childs,
उल्टा उल्टा
boys or
बोल रहा है.
girls, so first boy
Don't
go
speak.
and then
Family don't support, society
Okay,
don't support.
let us
So-
finish. Let us finish this thing. Okay, as per the generation is going on,
we can strongly say that in this generation, girls are more serious. If we go for the ratio,
मतलब छोड़ दो ना भाई.
okay, 1 second, let me speak. If we go for the ratio, the goal ratio, the target ratio, you will find everywhere the ratio of girls are more than boys. In every sector, girls are spreading their legs. Earlier there were no scope in border security force. There were no scope in fighter pilot. But the girls are there. Why? Just because they are serious. They want to do something in their life. Because they know very well that apart from education, they don't have anything. If they want to survive in this world, they have to study hard and hard. And if you talk about boys, boys are also serious, but they're serious when the time goes on. Then they think about themselves, because they already know that they will do something or like that. A boy can do any work at any time. If there is a work at night, at midnight, from 12 to 4 a.m. at night, a boy can do, but a woman can't. A boy can sell pani puri at roadside, but a woman can't. So, no, it may.
Yes, yes,
But
yes,
if the
ma'am.
opportunity is for studying, that's why they think that they would study and do something nice. That's why they are serious. If an opportunity is given to girl, she proves it. So that's why I can say that girls are actually serious about their career. Thank you for today.